And our lead story this evening, well, it's wrestlers versus Brijbhushan Sharan Singh yet again, and this time over the pole dangle. Well, just days after Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia joined the Congress, Brijbhushan Sharan Singh, the assault-accused BJP MP, has hit out the wrestlers, saying that the wrestlers' movement was always a conspiracy. Bajrang Punia says, well, we never let politicians enter our stir, and it was never political at the beginning. Take a look.
18 जनवरी को जब जंतर मंतर पर 2023 में धरना प्रारंभ हुआ था, तो मैंने पहले दिन कहा था कि ये खिलाड़ियों का आंदोलन नहीं है, इसके पीछे कांग्रेस है। विशेष करके भूपेंद्र हुड्डा, दीपेंद्र हुड्डा, प्रियंका जी, राहुल जी, ये कांग्रेस का आंदोलन है। और आज ये बात सच साबित हुई।
उस समय आप उस समय वो देख लीजिए कि भाई किन लोगों ने हमें आंदोलन पे बिठाया था और कौन लोग थे, कांग्रेस के थे या और किसी के थे। और उस समय ना हमारा राजनीति से कोई लेना देना था। स्टार्टिंग के हमने किसी राजनेता को मंच पे नहीं चढ़ने दिया था और बीजेपी के नेताओं को हमने लेटर लिख के दिया है, अगर वो फिर भी नहीं आए तो उनका काम है ये नैरेटिव फैलाना कि भाई ये कांग्रेस पार्टी ने करवाया था, ये फलाने ने करवाया था। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, पूरे देश ने देखा और आज भी पूरा देश खिलाड़ियों की बेटियों के साथ खड़ा है।
And let me go across live to my colleague Ishika. Ishika, so, having covered the wrestlers' protest from the ground, we know for a fact that, those wrestlers were on the streets of the national capital here for months on end. In fact, it began, in the chilly winter of last year, and it continued very well till July and August. We must not forget that these were serious allegations against Brijbhushan Sharan Singh, and now them contesting polls really doesn't take away from the abuse and harassment allegations that were levelled against Brijbhushan Sharan Singh.
Well, yes, in fact, Vedant, as you rightly mentioned, we did see that these wrestlers were on the ground at Jantar Mantar, and they did hold this protest with certainly very grave allegations against the former BJP MP, Brijbhushan Sharan Singh, and we both have covered this. We have seen how the wrestlers every day sat there at Jantar Mantar, and in fact the support that they got even from Haryana as well, day by day the crowd there only increased. So now certainly after Vinesh and Bajrang have now joined the Congress party, Brijbhushan Sharan Singh in fact came out and in fact said in the media that the day that this protest started, from that day onwards, he was saying that this is a political conspiracy that was backed by Congress party. Brijbhushan Sharan Singh also said that Deepinder Hooda and Bhupender Hooda, both of them are involved in this political conspiracy. Now, in fact, in response to that, we are now seeing Bajrang Punia has also in fact reacted. He has said that from the day they started this protest, they were very clear about their intentions. They did not let any politicians in fact, come and in fact politicize this entire issue. Bajrang Punia also said that a letter to all the women MPs of the BJP was also sent, but none of them showed up. Now, after that, Bajrang Punia is also saying that the support that they got from the Congress party only made them believe that this will give a new platform, for raising their voice for the farmers and the athletes. So certainly now we are seeing, Vedant, that there is a face-off between Brijbhushan Sharan Singh and the wrestlers now. And, certainly considering the fact that Haryana is going to the polls, this face-off is only set to intensify.